Want to fix Threads app crashing immediately after launch issue? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First, you want to reboot your device to clear temporary glitches. For that, hold down the power button. Now you want to tap on the restart option or tap on power off. Once you tap on power off, after some time you again want to turn it back on and relaunch the Threads app. If it still crashes, you want to update the application. For that, launch open Play Store, search for Threads. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Next, if it still doesn't work, you want to reinstall the app. For that, tap and hold on the Threads application, then tap on the uninstall option. Now go ahead and tap on OK over here. Once you have uninstalled it, again launch open Play Store and then reinstall it from here. If it still doesn't work, you want to launch open your settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Apps. Now select Threads. Here you want to tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data and tap on the Delete option. Once that is done, you want to open up the Threads app, log into your account, and your issue will be fixed. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.